Hello, good afternoon. My name is Isabella and today I go to make cookies. The first step, first mix the butter with the sugar. I go to mix the sugar with the butter first, and after I mix the sugar with the butter, I go to mix the egg. Now I go to mix the egg with the butter and the sugar. And now I go to mix the flour. And of butter I used 100 grams. And now I go to mix the chocolate chips with the other ingredient. I use 16 grams of chocolate chips. The second stage, I have to turn on the oven. And I go to wait minutes so that the cookies are ready.
Okay. It was good, your presentation, right? Now I have some couple questions that I'm going to ask you related to your presentation or your cooking preparation. First of all, tell me why did you select it?
Because I like I like my cookies.
Okay, you like your cookies. That's it. Okay. So you have a favorite chef?
My mom?
Your mom is your favorite chef. Okay. Who is the best in the kitchen? Who is the best here in your house?
My mom.
Your mom. Okay.
My mom.
Wow. So basically, you're telling me that those cookies are not delicious? A little bit?
So.
Okay. And tell me, what is your favorite part of making that preparation?
When I
What?
when I eat the cookie.
When you finish the cookie and you eat it. Okay. And for your family, what is the best step?
Also
It's the same. Yeah.
the same.
Okay. And do you prepare cookie for only for your family or for other people around?
And I prepare cookies for sale
For what?
for for other people.
Okay. For example?
And in the work of my mom.
Okay. What more?
In the work of my dad.
Okay. Excellent. So in your school?
No, in my school, no.
Why not?
I cannot sell.
Okay, you can sell right there. All right. So if you have the chance to sell cookies there, so you would like?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So how much or what exactly the price that you would use if you're selling in the school?
No, I cannot sell cookies.
No, let's suppose you have a chance, opportunity.
$1.
$1. Okay. $1. And how many cookies Does the bug have
2 cookies.
2 cookies? Okay, excellent. Okay, that was cool. Excellent. Congratulations. You're scared? Yeah, a little bit. Are you scared?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Let me know.